Children, wake up fast and get dressed.
But why, Grandma? If there is anything special today, why everyone is decorating the house?
As day after tomorrow is Guru Nanak Jayanti and we all are decorating our house for celebrating it. So, let's go and get dressed and we all will go to the Gurdwara to give ingredients for Langar Prasad and decorative material.
This sounds so amazing. Mom, I've heard there's a new movie in cinema based on the life of Guru Nanak Dev Ji. Can we go and watch it, please?
Mom, it's just time for the festival. We will know more about Guru Nanak Jayanti.
Surely, dear children, you can go and watch the movie. Go with your father and enjoy the movie.
Guru Nanak Dev Ji was the founder of Sikhism. He is the first of the 10 Sikh Gurus. He travelled to places far and wide, teaching people the message of one God who dwells in every one of God's creations and constitutes the eternal truth. He set up a unique spiritual, social, and political platform based on equality, fraternity, love, goodness, and virtue. Guru Nanak Dev Ji and Bhai Mardana were both born and raised in the same village. Bhai Mardana was 10 years senior in age and was the Guru's companion since his childhood days. He used to sing songs from the Bhagats Kabir Ji, Trilochan Ji, Ravidas Ji, Dhanna Ji and Bain Ji using a string instrument which was given to him by the Guru during his childhood days. He was his long-time Muslim companion throughout his extensive journeys across the country and abroad. Once Guru Nanak Dev Ji was travelling from Kartarpur towards Kashmir with Bhai Mardana.
Guruji, where will we go now?
Dear Mardana, we are at Sialkot. From here, we will go to Jammu.
Guruji, it has been my lifelong wish to visit Amarnath with you.
Travelling in the valley, they visited Amarnath in the high mountains. There he met a learned Brahman named Brahmadas.
Namaskar, Guruji. I am Brahmadas and I feel honored to meet you. Guruji, I'm sure that you will acknowledge that I am not an ordinary human, for I can recite even the toughest of the shlokas.
You might be able to recite even the toughest of the shlokas, but dear, you can surely not speak this hymn.
Guruji, you are great. You are the most learned of all. I bow before you. Please forgive me.
Always remember that arrogance will always lead to your downfall. God bless you.
Then the Guruji crossed many mountain ranges and ascended the Sumer Parbat. There he met the Siddha people who had achieved a high degree of physical as well as spiritual enlightenment. They were the liberated souls and the one who has attained the Siddhi, paranormal capabilities. The Siddha people were astonished to see that an ordinary human like Nanak could cross the harsh mountain ranges and ascend the Sumer Parbat. But they also realized he had an aura of spiritual power and they were curious about him, so they approached him.
Oh young man, listen. What power is it that has brought you here?
I worship one God and I meditate on His name. By His power, I have reached here safe and sound.
What is the condition of the earthly people? How does it fare with them? Are they living peacefully?
Oh Naths, in which capacity can you ask about the earthly people when you have hidden yourself in these high mountains? You are such cowards that you do not even dare to go there to save those people. Do you know that darkness spreads over the world? The earth is groaning under the weight of injustice. The kings have become corrupted. The fence itself eats the crop. The people are wandering in ignorance. The judges sell justice for money. Such is the state of the world. but you are enjoying yourself here. You should go to the world and help the poor and crushed people.
But there are yogis who are helping those people.
You talk of those beggars who are hankering from one house to another for seeking alms. Can they face their cruel rulers? Can they raise their voice against them?
The yogis discuss the matter among themselves.
This man is truly enlightened.
If he could join our sect, then he could make it famous in the world.
Let's try to pursue him.
Young man, here's a bowl. There's a lake nearby. Go fill it with water from there.
Guruji goes to the lake, but the lake is not filled with water, instead with thousands of precious gems. He understands the true intentions of the yogis. It was a trap to persuade him to stay with them. He does not do anything and returns back.
What is this? Why you have come empty-handed? Why didn't you fill it with water?
The lake has dried up.
Oh, it really has dried up.
But how is it possible?
I made it happen. Now, do you understand? Living in the material world does not mean that you cannot attain the spiritual greatness as long as you believe and worship God. You will find Him. Hiding in these mountains means you are selfish. Instead, you should help the suffering people with your powers.
From there, Guru Nanak Dev Ji continued his journey towards southeast across the mountains into the states of Nepal, Sikkim and Chambi Valley of Tibet.
Dad, it was an amazing movie.
Yes, children, there were many things to learn. What have you learned?
I have learned that we should always be kind and should not be proudy.
Children, today is Guru Nanak Jayanti. We all will go to Gurdwara and spend the whole day there.
सतगुरु मैं तेरी पतंग बाबा मैं तेरी पतंग हवा विच उड़दी जावांगी हवा विच उड़दी जावांगी बाबा डोर हथों छड्डी ना मैं कट जावांगी सतगुरु मैं तेरी पतंग बाबा मैं तेरी पतंग बड़ी मुश्किल दे नाल मिलिया मैनू तेरा दवारा है बाबा तेरा दवारा है मैनू इको तेरा आसरा नाल तेरा सहारा है बाबा तेरा सहारा है हूँ तेरे ही भरोसे बाबा तेरे ही भरोसे हवा विच उड़दी जावांगी हवा विच उड़दी जावांगी बाबा डोर हथों छड्डी ना मैं कट्टी जावांगी सदगुरु मैं तेरी पतंग बाबा मैं तेरी पतंग
Mom, can we go and eat something please? I'm very hungry.
No need to go home, children. We will eat and enjoy the langar here, along with the beautiful dance performances.
I enjoyed a lot today.
Yeah, it was fantastic.